In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to change your keyboard on iPhone to a picture. To use a picture as your iPhone keyboard background, go to your App Store and search for Gboard. And all you have to need, go ahead and install the Gboard application on your iPhone. Once the Gboard app installed, open the Gboard app, get started, and here tap on keyboards and enable Gboard and allow full access. Go back to your Gboard and tap and hold this globe icon, select Gboard to switch your Gboard keyboard. Tap on got it. Okay, now go to themes, tap on custom, and now from your phone gallery, go ahead and select the image, which image you want to use as your iPhone keyboard background. So in my case, I'm selecting this image, for example. Now you can resize the image and then tap on choose. And we can see I've successfully added my picture as my iPhone keyboard background. So I'm just opening my keyboard from my message app, for example. And I'm selecting here Gboard keyboard, and here you can see my keyboard successfully working perfectly. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.